Money ain't shit without game. They say all money, good money, but if you a dummy and spent, a fool and his money shall soon be parted. If you hang around 9 broke niggas, you bound to be the 10. Niggas handing out their cash cause they too weak hearted. I can't give you $10, but I give you 2 on the strength. Enough to get you off my back, but not to do much with. Nah, get out and get your own, nigga. Thought you was grown. Now you running around talking about a pocket full of stones. Hit the streets with high hopes and this shit went wrong. Thought you should be ballin', but you ain't Jim Jones. And you like to talk about how you handle.
What up, y'all? So what y'all just seen printing right there was this is gonna be a design for a table runner, and I'm actually using some new paper. I'm not using the Caesar color print PU no more. Like what? This is from Grimco. This is Brightline, the G Flex Turbo Print 236. It's a new paper to me, so I gotta get used to the name, but I like this paper. I've done a couple of tests on it and stuff, and this is actually supposed to be a matte paper, but it's got the same kind of texture as the color print Caesar color print gloss, and it looks basically the same. The matte that I got from color print, it was horribly matte and something I didn't want to work with. But let me jump into this and I'm gonna show you. It's pretty much the same concept as the color print PU. You know, you print it out, then of course you gotta peel it. This design, it's not really a whole lot of like stuff I would have to peel out in between letters and stuff like that. This design is pretty much straight away. And as you can see, I do have one in here that I would have to peel out. Get that out of there. And it's pretty much your typical printable vinyl. So the difference is in this paper and the Caesar, I had some Caesar color print, and you know, y'all know that I have been using that for a while. But then I had ordered some and I used it, and then whatever I had left it sitting for a while and hadn't used it because I wasn't, just didn't have no orders for it. So it was sitting there, and then by the time I went back to go and use it, it was like totally useless. Like everything printed beautiful and everything, but it was just hard for it to peel off, you know, once you mashed it. So with this masking right here, I don't know, it's just a totally different experience. And like I said, I'm like amazed. Like Caesar is one of the biggest names in the game and they can't get it right. But I want to shout out to the print house. He the one that put me up on game on this turbo print, the G Flex Turbo Print 236. So shout out to the print house. If y'all haven't checked him out, y'all can go and check him out. He worked with a lot of different type of printing. Well, it's in his name, the print house. But yeah, check him out. And right here, I'm basically gonna let y'all see the whole process. I'm just getting out air bubbles and anything that might be making sure everything is stuck to it. And no, I do not have to put this in the freezer or none of that crap like I did with the Caesar. So I'm pretty much good to go. Now as you can see, I just peel up the mask. I just want to get a good hold on it. Get everything peeled up. And voila. Boom. Actually a piece got stuck right here, but no biggie. No big deal. It didn't rip. Didn't mess up my print at all. So I'm real happy with that. They got a win in my book. So from here, I'm gonna take y'all over to the press Give me just a minute and we'll be right back with you. All right, y'all, so I'm here back at the press, and as you can see, I got the table runner right here, and I had got everything lined up off of camera so that I'm just ready to go in and press. And get this, this is printable vinyl, and it's just like the Caesar, but instead with this one, you ain't gotta go no 15 seconds. This one is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So here we go, let's press it. 5 seconds. And this one is a warm peel, so basically you don't want to peel it up right away. You just kind of want to let it sit. Usually what I do is I kind of take them off and just kind of wave it around a little bit, because if it's sitting under the hot press, of course it's still going to be like you doing a hot peel. But like I said, 5 seconds. And I didn't have none of the trouble that I had with the Caesar color print PU, and I'm just sick of it. But I probably will be keeping the mask from it. I haven't tested the Caesar mask. This is the mask that came from Grimco, and the one that they recommended. It's supposed to be a high-tack mask. It's not as quite of a high-tack as the one from Caesar, but it's pretty decent, and it's working for this. But if I don't have to spend for no more, since I already got some, then I might as well just go ahead and use what I got. But I'm not going to be using it if it's going to be tearing up, you know, the prints and stuff. So that's pretty good. It should be good right now. So let me go ahead and just roll that off. And there you go. Got you a nice little print. Looks good too. And like I said, it's a matte, but it's got a little hint of gloss in there. And overall, it's good quality. So y'all might want to check that out. Go over to Grimco and get you some of that Turbo or G-Flex Turbo Print 236. Alright, so y'all just seen it right here on LCT Unlimited. Got a nice print. And one thing that I just really can't understand for the life of me is, like Caesar, they got real good regular HTV that's not printable. I love that. Still buy that stuff. And I just thought, like, you know, getting into this game with the large format printing, that Caesar would have had it covered. And for the life of me, I just can't understand why their material is just garbage. And I figured that it had to be something out there that's better. And who would have thought, you know, Grimco, you know, like I said, shout out to the print house for putting me up on game with that one. Man, I'm here to help y'all, put y'all on game. So basically y'all want to, it's all about trial and error. So I had to mess up a lot with that color print. I actually did do some jobs. I got my jobs finished and everything, and then the prints, they last and all of that. But you know, you don't want to go through all of that hassle. So I did waste a little money with this one too, but not by tearing up none of the material. Basically it was just for trial and error, like, okay, let me try it on this, let me try it on that. And then now, and this is full polyester right here. I've done some on cotton, I've done it on 50/50. So it's good to go. And they say it works for nylon too, but I guess you got to look at different temperatures. So I hope y'all like this video. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. The next time you come back, bring somebody with you and tell them to bring somebody with them. And remember, be independent, be individual, be you. I'm out.
Wow.